But it wicks back through that particle board all the way over to here, and it got less and less as it got away from. There's actually supports underneath the cabinet, which is unusual, so they were trying to do high quality, but particle board is just not the answer. An inch thick particle board is not the answer. And the reason they're doing that, not because it's an inch thick, but the reason they're using particle board is cheaper. They shouldn't. They should use plywood. It will delaminate when it gets water on it, but it will hold up better. And that's quality, and you pay for it. You know, it probably would cost them $300–400 more to use plywood, and they're not doing it. Shame on them. But we're overcoming it. So here's what we're doing, and I'll take you along with us.